So guys, today we are having a barbecue. My daughter is doing it. She's gonna blend up all these things. So we do a barbecue today. So my family is over for the barbecue. Yeah. Look on the view. My nice big kitchen. Huh? She said my kitchen is not up to our standard, eh? Guys, just look at my kitchen. So guys, we're heading to the supermarket to get some seasoning for our barbecue. The sun is hot today, as you can see. And because we don't get sun a lot in the UK, it's mostly rain and cold and damp and everything. So when the sun comes out, we have to enjoy a little bit of it. So my daughter and her boyfriend decided that we're gonna have a barbecue today. So we're heading to the supermarket. That's my mom with my baby. So we're heading to the supermarket to get some more seasoning. Yeah, it's a nice day today, nice weather. I'm feeling so free. That's how you feel when time the sun is out here. When winter, you're just sad, depressed, and everything. Yeah, so we walk into the supermarket. The supermarket is a little bit far from where I live, about 8 minutes walk. This is my avenue. That's where I live. So yeah, and that's my park. It's not my park, but that's the park where we goes. And then we also have a gym further down. Yeah, so sometimes they have fun fair over there for the kids. I actually live in a nice area. The area where I live is nice. It's kind of posh, even though I'm not posh, but yeah. Beautiful park over there. Beautiful park. That's where I live. How beautiful is it? So I'm passing my church, guys. That's the church where I go. Catholic. I'm not really Catholic, but my baby goes Catholic school, so yeah. So that's our church. Here we go. Still walking. Still walking. So guys, we're still walking. The good thing about the UK is that's another supermarket. No matter where you live, in a village or anywhere, or in the countryside, you have access to shop. You're not so far, you have locals where you can go. So even if you live in the country, there's always corner shops or mini supermarket where you can go and grab things. That's the good thing about this country. You don't have to go far, you don't have to take bus, you don't have to take train, and there's always small towns nearby that sells everything like clothes, food, fruits and everything. That is a good thing. Yeah, as you can see, that's where we're going. Aldi, you have B&M, Iceland, and all of those. It's a big warehouse. You can get big stuff to buy in bulk. Hello, baby. Hello, my baby. Yeah. So we are heading to where we want to go now. So guys, this is one of the shopping places that we go to shop. That's on Bargain and Morrison's. Yeah. It's not too far from my house, but for me it's far because I have to walk. Normally I would have just drive, but today I have to walk because the sun is hot. Yeah. So over here you can find all the shops. I'm not going in this one, I'm not going in no Bargain, and I'm not going in Morrison's. I'm going to the cheapest one. They're called Aldi. Is it Aldi?
Lidl's.
Oh, Lidl's. We're going in Lidl's. Yeah.
We done cook already.
Guys, this is it. So we're going over that side. We are going to Aldi. Iceland. You want postcard for?
Well, wedding card.
Oh. Now who will get married? So this is the supermarket, guys. So my mom said she wants postcard. It's mostly saying happy birthday. And this one should says on your special day. That blue one. That's anniversary that says the blue one.
Dear customers, we are closing till number 5.
Not that one. This one.
To the next available till.
Let's go and get these things and come back. So this is our supermarket. It's not big like other country supermarket where I have been before. Literally, supermarket in the UK is not big, they're small. You can't really see a big, massive one. And go this side. To literally buy some seasoning. So what do we have here? Chili powder, smoky pepper, chicken seasoning, 2 types of chicken seasoning now. I think I'm gonna get the 2 type. What's this? It's literally cheap, so I'm getting those ones. I think I need thyme. Where is it? It's no thyme. Oh. Where? It's no thyme.
You get jump? No.
Yeah. Parsley.
Good.
Basil. I get some basil.
Which was rich?
Should I get chili? But butter in our fridge. Okay. All right.
Okay. All right. All right.
Mama, mama. Hey. 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 Alright, alright, alright. Nothing, nothing. So we are coming back out of the supermarket and we're on our way home. Yeah. I'm kind of tired. The sun is hot. That's the thing with this sun. It drains you out. That's how England sun is. It makes you want to sleep. I want to sleep. So guys, we're going back home from the supermarket. Yeah. So my daughter can finish her barbecue. You see how the time is hot? Well, I'm still in my jacket and I'm burning up, but you just can't trust UK weather. Yeah, UK is a place where you cannot trust the weather. You can't just get up and go out without jacket and act like you want model, because 1 minute you see how the place look hot, next minute rain, snow, hail and everything. That's how this country is, and this is what they do. Drink. Even your neighbors, as soon as they see the sun's out, everyone is out drinking. Yeah, because UK people love to drink. Yeah, and watch football. That's where they get the fun from. So that's my son-in-law out there making the fire, preparing the fire. That's my son there, excited for the barbecue. Can't wait to eat the chicken. You see what going in a jerk pan here?
Don't open the door.
So the chicken, burn up. I don't know if it's
Fire,
crazy.
fire, 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 fire.
Chicken.
Oh, that's nice.
You look good.
Some of it burn.
It looks good. Look like you're ready to eat.
Nearly.
Huh? They look like they're ready to eat.
He wants to go.
Look, what's that? Look.
No, he knows the daddy, but he knows the car.
He's trying to come through the
Make
window.
sure he's not banging again.
He's alright. Why that urgent? It's not that hard, it's soft. You look like a Chinese.
See, make sure he's not banging again.
That kid, you know.
Go.
You look a rock.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, everybody! I am very, 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 very hungry. Look, no food here. I need
See,
food.
that's all he talks about. Food.
Food
Food every
very,
day.
very hungry. I want my belly to be like big man's belly, not like a student belly.
See, I told you, Lord, he loves food. I told my
Very,
daughter
very
that when he comes
hungry.
in, he's gonna say he's very, 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 very hungry.
6.
Oh my God! Don't tell me about food
Wait,
again.
let me see your hand. Oh my God, your hand is full of chicken. Ah, no! Look at your mouth.
Yes!
Look at your mouth. Hey, look at your hair. Just like your sister said.
Jackie Chan.
Hey, look at your shoes. Hey, look at your bum. Now look at your hair. Then look at your mouth. Judah, have you seen your hair? It's straight and nice.
I know.
Hmm?
Let me run. Let me run. Let me run.
So guys, this is the food that we make today. I didn't make it. My boyfriend. my boyfriend, my daughter boyfriend made this food today, yeah? pumpkin rice, jerk chicken, and grease salad.
It's not salad.
What is this then?
It's a dip, like a sauce.
Okay, some sauce.
Like tzatziki if you heard of it.
Like a dip, something you dip your food in.
No?
Okay, see, I
You
don't
never
even
heard
know
of
what is
tzatziki?
it. No.
No?
So it's ready to eat it.
And then everyone something similar to
First,
salsa.
first before food, nice beer, then food. Because if it's Friday, it's beer day.
I thought you said you're very, 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 very hungry.
Yeah, but if you see a beer on Friday, drink it first before you eat food.
Okay, so I
Because
was
after all these months of winter.
Is
This
it nice?
sauce tastes good. Yeah.
Oh, see, something different. Yeah.
I can taste some garlic.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Try this one.
The white one.
Yeah. Try with the rice. See, that's why I said just eat this small bit because it's not heavy. I don't think it's heavy. That's why.
It's good. But I love this one.
Is it?
It's got a kind of.
This one too. I think this one got garlic. This is Greek dip.
I think it's got garlic and ginger, or there is some, a kind of a tiny bit of sharp.
George make it.
Sharp
So guys,
sensation.
my daughter boyfriend made this sauce. Yeah, it's really nice. See, he love food. Today me and him not argue about food. Innit? Today we not argue about food though. You're happy? Just come from work and get your food, innit?
It's good coming home to this kind of meal. But the problem is that you did not make it. It's your daughter's boyfriend that made it. He's not going to be here every day.
I want to make you flap me so. Don't worry, it's summertime now, so.
This is nice. Baby, you need to learn how to make this.
You see now you want me because I thought everyone must learn how to make it. Alright, I'm going to tell George to show me how to make it. That's
so
pumpkin
nice.
rice. This one is Jamaican pumpkin rice.
I don't know where I'm getting this taste from. This one?
It's from this. This.
Let me see.
It's some rice.
This is nice.
You're confused.
There is this vegetable that is called basil.
Oh yeah.
There is basil in this raw basil. If you bite the raw basil, masticate it, and you get the feeling. And then you brush it down with a sip of a beer. If just forget you were working on Saturday. And if the work was satisfying work, like taking passengers to where they are going, just come home and appreciate life. After drinking this, Really? After drinking this, you still get the feeling of either the basil in that or something, It's good.
So guys, I guess he's happy today. I'm doing happy every day still, but there you go.
It's you that I'm saying I guess you're happy today. Me and you who has mood change, mood swing. You see?
You know what? I think you need to understand when woman is on their hormone and they're in that time of the month.
Well,
they get that mood
I just
swings.
have to.
So
I
you
just have to get
be-
used to you or your personality.
There's nothing wrong with my personality, Robert. It's only when I'm on the.
I've never been with anyone like that. The only person I've been. I forgot we were recording. Sorry.
No, man, continue.
Sorry.
That was the past, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So why you cover up for us? You afraid of me?
Yes. I kind not afraid, but cautious and uncomfortable. I was about to not to come home very early because I was thinking the more you see me, the more you get